Hey guys, welcome back. In last video, we have seen how we can use ListView.Builder and we created such kind of list. But here I explained in the last video also that we have one problem that we do not have a space between these two items. If I want to use separator or I want to set the space, so how I can do that I'm going to explain here. So for that we have a list here, list item, that is normally which we have used in the previous videos also, that we have a listing here, 40 items we have, list item we have here. Now in place of this list view.builder, I will use here dot separated. Remember, remaining will same and list item count will same, item builder will be same, but one thing that I need to use here, I say separated builder, that I need to put here. This separated builder have same kind of things which we have here. So I say here context, I say here index, and here like this we use this function, and inside that we have to return the widgets that we want to use for dividing the list. For that we have an inbuilt class we call divider, and here just I use this divider. So automatically it will have a fixed size, but that size I can also increase. So this application is now coming here, and you see that we have set this divider also. And now I just restart once again. You see we have a divider here. This dividing list is coming, but size is not okay. Just simple line we have. So we can increase the size. I say I need thickness. I say thickness is 3. Just Control S. And you will see that thickness is coming now 3. And if you want to change the color of this, suppose I don't like this, I need color. I say colors dot green color, suppose I take here, and I say Control S. You see that item we have a green, but if this is not suitable for you, you can take red also, same Control S. You see red is also coming. In place of this divider, you can take size box also, you can take card also, you can take container also. Suppose I say here in place of divider, I say container, and I say container have a height of 10. Okay, I just Control S, and you see the thing is coming. Why? Because we do not have the color here. I say color dot purple, save, and you see that this container is also behaving like this, and I can reduce the size to 6, and you see, so container is also behaving like a separator or divider, but better to use divider class, that is you can say standard class for that, and easy also dot gray like this, and return I have to use Control S, and you will see that now you have a gray line. So it depends on you how you want to use it. So list.separator have only one property extra, that is called separator builder. Otherwise in list view.builder we have item count and item builder. So same property we have to pass here, same kind of return statement we required here as we are doing here, but this is the list of item that we want to show, and this is the line or dividing, you can say widgets that we want to show. That line may be any image, that may be container, that may be card, whatever you want, it depends on you. By default we have a divider as a line, remember. So far we are using here single item in a list, but in the next video we will see how we can use list style to display multiple information with icon, with image here in the list. So how we can do that we will see in the next video. This is all about ListView.Separated in this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.